Hello guys, welcome back. If I tell you that this is not white, our regular white egusi, you won't believe it. This is green pumpkin seed and it's called semidizuka here. You go in with any kind of beef of your choice, so you put all your seasonings. Here I added chicken seasoning, salt and oregano. So I stirred it properly. I covered it to cook for complete 15 minutes or until the beef are soft enough. So I will go in with pepperoni. This is red scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll go in with crayfish. So I have to blend this. I'll just put a little water for it to blend. I'll blend it in a smooth paste. So after blending it, I'll go ahead and blend the egusi. This is our egusi. So add little water for it to blend very smoothly. So as you can see the consistency. So after blending it, you go in with olive oil and a sliced onion. You fry the onions for 3 seconds. Then you add in the red bell pepper or the blended stuff. You cover it to cook for 5 minutes. So after that, after 5 minutes, you add in your salt and your chicken seasoning, any seasoning that you want. This is my regular seasoning. So after that, I'll pour everything inside the beef pot and I'll stir it properly and cook it again for 3 minutes. So after that, I will go in with our egusi. I'm going to add this egusi and I'll stir it properly and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. So the first time I made this egusi, when my kids returned back to school, and I asked them to guess the color of egusi I cooked, they said it's a regular white egusi. I thought this is not a regular white egusi. This is green and pumpkin seed called semidizuka here. So here I added vegetable, so I will add the spinach to cook for 3 minutes. And our egusi is ready. If I tell you that this is not regular white egusi, you will not believe that. So we'll go ahead and prepare our swallow. So here is oatmeal. I'm going to blend this oatmeal into a powder form. So in your boiling water, you start adding it little by little. Don't just add everything, because if you add everything, you will not get that smooth oatmeal swallow. So you make sure that you stir it properly, consistently. So after that, you add in little water and cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you stir it, then you add more oats for it to thicken very well. As you can see how non-sticking, it's not sticking on the pan. It will come out like this. You will know that your oats swallow is ready. Our food is ready. If I've watched you this point, thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome, and do consider follow us for more videos. To my own subscribers, thank you always for always watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen, and keep watching Chizzy Delish Kitchen, and see you next time in my next one. Bye.